Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's Truth Bomb Tuesday, and today's topic, your hormones aren't broken. They've just been hijacked by insulin resistance. You probably heard it, or maybe you even said it yourself. My hormones are out of whack. Mood swings, stubborn weight gain, hot flashes, acne. And everyone tells you it's just your hormones. But here comes the truth bomb. It might not be your hormones. It might be insulin resistance pulling the strings. Insulin isn't just about blood sugar. It is the master hormone. And when it's constantly elevated, it hijacks everything else. So let me show you how it plays across our lifespan. Teenage girls, they'll experience irregular periods, acne, mood swings, and early signs of PCOS are often signs of high insulin, not just puberty. Women in their 30s and 40s, PMS gets worse, energy dips, the thyroid slows down, weight starts piling around the belly, even when you're eating healthy. And in menopause and beyond, hot flashes, brain fog, joint pain, sleep issues, and belly fat. Insulin resistance amplifies it all. And yes, it affects men too. Low testosterone, belly fat, and fatigue often all point back to insulin, not just getting older. So here's today's nugget. Fix the insulin and the hormones will follow. You don't have to chase every symptom to get to the root cause. I've seen this firsthand. Moms thinking their daughters aren't just moody teenagers. Women blaming themselves for the scale, cravings, and exhaustion. And grandmothers told it's all just aging. But once they dropped the carbs and focused on real food, cycles improved. Energy came back. Sleep, mood, and even skin got better. Their hormones weren't broken. They were being bullied by insulin. So if this hits home, share this with a mom or a daughter who needs to hear it, because it's not just your hormones. And now you know better. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, your daily spoonful of truth served fresh every day.